Hi there, students. To ascertain. To ascertain means to discover, to find out, to learn some information, to determine. So I tried to ascertain his whereabouts. I tried to locate him. I'm trying to ascertain where he is. I would like to ascertain how much this product costs. Okay, so to ascertain is to find out information that you don't know. Do you think you could ascertain how to do this? Could you ascertain the method in which this is done? You could use a dictionary to ascertain the meaning of this word. I'm trying to ascertain the truth of what happened. So notice it's an easy verb to learn. This verb comes from Latin. Ascertain. Add to certain. So to certainty, to make sure, if you like. Notice to ascertain is a fairly formal verb. I'd probably give it 6.5 in formality. You could probably use it in an informal conversation in the pub, but I think find out or discover would be much better. So I would use this verb to ascertain for things of medium formality and for formal writings. I think it's a really good word to use because it's different from discover. Yeah, it shows a wide vocabulary. And notice, to ascertain something, to ascertain the truth, to ascertain the price. So no prepositions. Also, to ascertain is a regular verb. He has ascertained a lot of new information for us. So, to ascertain, to find out, to discover, an easy word. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To ascertain.